Hi guys, as promised, I'm here to show you my hair, how it turned out after the twist. So this is 3 days after Tuesday. Today's on Thursday. Yeah, 3 days. I have posted actually on my IG story how I want to change these two, so they don't align well with this other side, but I'm too lazy to do it, honestly. I have very fine hair, by the way, so I don't have a lot of locks. One thing the loctician said was my locks are not the same size, but I know the reason why they're not. It's because once Rosa had done the twists, nilienda nikaongeza some because I felt some were too big, although I want like thick locks. Some of the parts were too big, so if you follow me on IG, you know what I'm talking about. Nikaongeza like another line of locks over here. So I think that's the reason alikuwa nasema some of my locks are big, some are small. But I'll just allow them to grow them the way they want, and then we'll see how they turn out. Right now, I'm going to do deliveries, a few deliveries, and then I'm thinking we go shopping kidogo because I don't have anything in the house to eat. I know some of you are like, si upeleke tu kwa car wash yoshwe instead ya kuosha yourself, but I really don't mind, and then again I have time. Like kama sasa nishamaliza kila kitu nilikuwa nafaa kufanya leo, so yeah, I don't see the need of me paying 500 bob when it's something I can do it comfortably. It's so beautiful outside. Wow. face has really been behaving well these days. Like I have no breakouts like I used to, and I'm not using benzoyl peroxide vile nilikuwa natumia kitambo. I don't know, but I have a feeling the less things I use on my face, the better it performs. Yeah, something of the sort. Because these days all I do is wash my face at night with the cleanser that I've showed you, this one, and then apply this moisturizer. Both of these are from Sarah's Choice. And then in the morning I usually just apply sunscreen just after washing my face. In the morning I don't use the salicylic acid to clean my face. I just use water in my hands, and then usiku ndio natumia the salicylic acid. Yeah, so right now I want to mask kiasi as I clean dishes, and then afterwards wash it off as I have a shower. Good morning. Hi guys, so it's on Wednesday. I'm filming a what I eat in a day kind of video. So as you've seen, I've prepared lemon water. I usually take this in the morning. It has become a habit, so I'll have this pole pole as I prepare my day, like make my to-do list and whatnot. So after that we'll prepare breakfast. For breakfast, I'm having pancakes. So we have the ingredients over here. We're going to make banana pancakes. It's my first time doing it. So you'll need sugar, banana, mine is too ripe, 2 eggs, flour, and essence. I'm using the passion one. I don't have the vanilla one. As we've said, we are trying these things out. So we're going to try passion fruit and see how it tastes. So mix this up kwa bowl yako, and I'm using Samantha Nyako's recipe. Alini DM recipe literally after seeing my pancake. Start off by mixing your eggs. So you're going to whisk your eggs until it form bubbles. Like so. So the secret is adding oil kwa your mix instead of adding it kwa the pancakes as they cook. So I'm going to add oil and then adding the flour. And then you can add milk, but I don't like milk, so I'm going to add water instead. Kiasi tu as you mix. Wow!
Do you know I'm looking and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Guys, we are at the last village. Isn't it the last village?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's such a pretty place. This is how it looks. So there are few activities that we're going to do. It's so pretty. Nasikia kuchukua some plants niende nazo nyumbani. Oh.
With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? Don't you know that I would?
Yan kay merbika ama? Nitachuna hii.
This moment, can we stay
So,
here forever?
thank you.
Forever, forever, forever. Love this moment.
Najisikia unaweza nini? Costume. Imeweza, wacha tu.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
So the high ropes are 2,000 and they're that long, and then there's zip lining 1,000 from that car house over there up to here, and then kuna hii something, it looks like rock climbing 500, and then kuna ile attire pia ya kuclimb. It's 500. Yeah. So those are the activities. We are at the last village.
I watch you as you drive.
It's pretty high, but not high kama zile za nini, Diamond Plaza. This one is higher. Yeah.
And we just sing along, and I can't help